What's up guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. So since it's now October, I thought I would do a Halloween look, but also this could be an everyday makeup tutorial. I'm not even a beauty guru. Why am I doing this right now? If you don't know, I love Halloween. I used to do a lot of scary videos in the past. Why is my face so red? So I'm going to be turning myself into a fairy, and my goal is to make it look very glowy and earthy, kind of like a garden fairy or forest fairy. This video is actually in collaboration with Cosswigs, and I will be wearing a wig for this look. This wig I picked out is so pretty, and it really does complete the whole look. So I'm very excited to put that on after I do my makeup. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because we are so close to 100,000. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get started into this earthy fairy look. All the makeup I'm going to be using, a lot of it is from Sephora. Actually, a lot of it is Milk makeup. I'm so ugly. So all the makeup I'm going to be using is stuff that you can just find at Sephora. Like, it's nothing that special. Before we get started, the most important thing to do before putting on makeup is to put on some moisturizer, which I already put some on. We are going to be using this Milk Makeup Skin Tint, and this is actually a foundation-free makeup look. If you are like me and you don't like the feeling of foundation and you want to switch, but you don't know what to use, guys, this is a game changer. This is the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint. So all you do is just pump it, and it has like a roller thing here. And we don't want to put too much on because it is a skin tint. Like, this isn't a foundation. And don't forget to bring some down on your neck. Don't overpack it because if you do, it turns out too oily and it's very luminous, but not in a good way if you put too much on. So as you can tell, it evens out your skin tone pretty well, and that's why I love this. It is a little pricey. I believe it's $42. I am not over exaggerating. This is probably like my favorite product. Like, forget about mascara. If I had to pick one makeup product, it may be this. I mean, eyebrows are pretty important, but it can look a little oily, so I'm actually going to take, this is Mineral Fusion. It's from Whole Foods. It's this natural brand. The next step is bronzer. I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, and this is in light for fair skin people. And sometimes it's even too dark for me, and that's the struggle of being pale. So this is a glowy, earthy makeup look, but I don't want it to be too tan for me. Instead of being a bronze, earthy fairy, I'm gonna be a pale, earthy fairy. Milk Makeup is probably my favorite makeup brand. They are cruelty-free, somewhat natural. I just love them. Everything they have is so pretty. And I just got this highlighter. Look how pretty this is. I'm screaming. So for the eyes, I'm actually using a highlighter. This is by Fenty Beauty. This is why I can't do makeup tutorials. This is by Fenty Beauty, which is Rihanna's makeup brand. It's so pretty as well. I'm gonna start with the lighter highlighter first and just put that all over my eyelid. I know you're probably thinking, why are you using like purple tones when this is like a forest fairy look? I can't find any green eyeshadow that I like that is light enough for my skin tone and that isn't too dark, that makes it look like it's a smoky eye, because I hate that look. So I have some on my lids right now, and now I'm gonna use the darker shade of purple and put it in my crease. I was really excited when Cosswigs reached out to me because I've always wanted to try a wig, but I didn't know like where to get it or like what kind to get, and I found out that lace front wigs are the best to wear because it's the most natural looking, and they hand make all their wigs, so that's pretty cool. And there we go. I forgot to do my eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is a Glossier eyeliner, and it's in the color Hardcore Velvet. It's like a blue emerald green color. Pretty. I'm gonna use these two together, which it's gonna look so good. So this is Rally, and this is the lip and cheek tint. And then this is a holographic stick, which I don't know if they have it anymore. It's in the color Stardust. It's pretty holographic, and it looks so nice on the cheeks. So you just wanna lightly dab it. So when you put it on, it looks very natural. If you don't like to wear a lot of makeup, but you still want to wear something to at least enhance your features, that's why I highly recommend Milk Makeup, because they're so a little bit like minimalistic looking. This could work really well as a highlighter, so you don't really need highlighter after this, but because we want to go a little extra, I am going to be using the Milk Makeup highlighter in Blitz. I'm going to go close up so you guys can see this. That is so pretty. Wow. And don't forget to put some on your nose as well. If you do want to get this highlighter, I will say that it's more on the glittery side. I mean, I like glitter, so I honestly don't care. I would wear this every day if I could. I did decide I'm gonna do the false eyelashes, and this brand is from Target, but I'm pretty sure this is real mink fur. Really felt bad about buying. This is from another video I did. I didn't just buy these for this video, so I've had these. I don't think these are cruelty free or vegan, so just don't buy these. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this off camera. I mean, it took me 10 minutes to put these on, and I don't think it's fully on my eyelid. So the next step, I'm gonna use the Kush mascara, which is hands down the best mascara I've ever tried. Really madness. So here's the makeup look I was going for. Oh, one more thing. Forgot about the lipstick. So I'm gonna be using a lip balm instead because I do want this to be glowy and natural looking. At least natural looking in the fairy world. This is the Kush lip balm in the color Bubble. This is what it looks like. It is super pretty. I'm actually really impressed with myself. I didn't think it would turn out this good. Now that we are done with the makeup, I'm gonna move on to my outfit and then we're gonna do the hair. So for my outfit, I was having a hard time figuring out what I wanna wear. Like, am I supposed to go buy an outfit, like a costume? So I was going through my closet and I actually put together this perfect fairy outfit for like a woodsy forest fairy. And everything I already have, two of the things are actually thrifted from Goodwill. So that just shows that you don't need to buy an expensive costume. You can literally just go thrift an outfit. I have this really pretty velvet burnt orange brown color top, and I love it because it has the bell sleeves and then the neckline kind of swoops in like this, so it's very pretty, very whimsical. I thrifted this corset and it's by the brand BB. So by itself there's nothing wrong with it. I felt like something was missing, and then I thought these two together will look so good. This corset top has got to be over 20 years old. So here is what it looks like. I'm so happy with this, and I can't believe I found this in my closet. Like, that just makes it even better. So I think I'm wearing this skirt, which is also velvet. So like I said, I'm going to be using a wig from Cosswigs, and I love them. They actually sent this to me, and we are collaborating in this video. So this is a lace front wig, and it is so pretty. All their wigs are handmade and they're super nice. So this is the wig that I picked out for this fairy look. It is a platinum blonde curly wig, and it also feels amazing too. I already cut the lace on it, and then this is what it looks like inside. It is so pretty, and it also looks so real. Like, from behind, this looks like real hair. So they did send me a wig cap and then also a comb because I think I will have to comb it out. I already wore this wig a couple times, so it is getting a little knotty. First, I'm going to pin back my bangs so they don't get in the way. Like that. I just put my hair in a low ponytail. When I have the wig cap on, I'll take the scrunchie out and then I'll just tuck my hair in the back of this cap. So I was watching a ton of videos and everyone was using the Got2b brand. So I got this ultra glued invisible styling gel. It seems like they were saying it was thick enough to glue your wig down. We're gonna try this out. I don't know if this is gonna work. This is the first time I'm using this. The thing I like about this wig, and I don't know if all wigs have this, but there's this thing right here where you can adjust the size of it. So if you have like a tinier head, you can make it more tight so it doesn't fall off. Like this right here. I look so different. Do I look like a fairy?
Fairy, yes.
I don't know if I applied this right, and I'm new to this, so don't roast me in the comments. But for being a beginner, I think I did pretty good. Cosswigs has a lot of different wigs to choose from their website, and I picked this one out because I've always wanted platinum blonde hair, but I've never been brave enough to dye my hair because you have to bleach it, and I'm just scared of that. I'm so glad I picked this one out. You guys can actually use my coupon code Courtney for $5 off your purchase on Cosswigs. So this is what it looks like from the back. It is super, super long. It has layers, so that's what makes it really flowy. If you're looking for a wig to wear for Halloween or just to wear any time of the day, I highly recommend Cosswigs because their prices are amazing. It's handmade and they have a lot of options to choose from, and they're very fun. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll have their website linked down below. I just can't wait to wear this for Halloween, and I may even wear it some days just for fun. See what my sister thinks. So now that I'm ready, I'm gonna go take pictures now. We're gonna literally go in the forest and take pictures. So I'm really excited, and I still can't believe I look like this.